LA is a huge city. There's about 800,000 youth that live in the city, and it's really important that we invest in our most important asset for the future. As a founder of Legacy LA, I grew up in this community that doesn't have many resources for young people. So I had this dream of creating an organization that would help youth reach their full potential in their community. We serve kids ages 10 to 24, 25 years old, and the goal is to provide them case management, long-term case management that would support these young people in reaching their full potential.
We have our youth council program, which really helped me become the leader I am today in my community. Through this youth council program, youth are taught everything about social justice, environmental justice, and at least for me, it was the first time where I was able to connect with what was happening in my community with what was happening in the political arena.
So Heart of Los Angeles is an after-school and community-based program that provides free academic, arts, and athletic programs, health and wellness, and family services to over 2,100 youth and families. We do this every day, Monday through Friday, and even Saturdays, for young people ages 6-year-olds all the way through their 24th year. At a place like Heart of Los Angeles, we're able to bring in a number of different providers to provide music. We have the LA Philharmonic who comes in to help us deliver music to youth. We have Ghetto Film School who provides an amazing film program for young people to enter into those careers. And so the sky's the limit. It's one of these adages where, when you build it, people can come. And the reality is in Los Angeles, we have buildings that are already built, but less utilized. So let's fill them up with partners and programs so that the communities can actually get served in the way in which communities are telling us now they need to be served.
HOLA was a resource that was introduced by a family member, and it was an after-school community where students could come together and get those resources, support on homework, college prep, anything of the sorts that a student would need. And filmmaking was always an interest of mine growing up, and HOLA really directed me to a really great resource such as GFS.
What we believe inherently at Ghetto Film School is that our young artists have everything that they need to succeed creatively. The things that they need are the simple things, technical training, equipment, access to opportunities. The Fellows Program is a place where students who are incredibly serious about filmmaking and storytelling can find a community. The Fellows Program itself is college level, but it's student driven. Students write, shoot, direct, and produce original work. For a lot of young people, a career in entertainment can really feel like a fleeting dream, and during the pandemic with the world shut down, it was really important for our students to just continue making work.
As a student, I was very unsure of what the future would bring for us. Yet, Ghetto Film School is such a strong advocate for us students, providing us safety precautions, Zoom classes, and even allowing us to meet together one day out of the week. This strong sense of community allowed us to keep on creating, to still be hands-on in our projects. Nothing really stopped us from there on.
Communities are very different throughout LA County. We have different needs, and organizations like Woodcraft Rangers are able to customize and really strive to the needs of each community. Our founder, Ernest Thompson Seaton, founded the organization after a group of boys vandalized his home. And so instead of pressing charges, he decided to provide an outdoor education experience for those students, providing leadership, camping opportunities for those students, and that mission continues to be alive in what we do today. We want to make sure that our youth right now are able to have a safe environment to grow and develop as young adults, but we also know that with the offerings that we have, we're able to support a whole child during the school day.
Now that you've heard from some amazing after-school programs throughout Los Angeles, we want to welcome you to this brand new community center that provides free academic, arts, and athletic programs for young people as early as age 6, going all the way through their college years. That's why you're coming to this particular classroom, to where they're becoming all-stars in the classroom and after school too. Hi, everybody. This is one of our incredible violin classes, one of many different types of music classes and visual arts, STEM that are offered here in this particular center. Come, why don't you take a listen? These classes are the connective tissue of nonprofit organizations, meeting youth at their interests and helping them to grow even after the school day ends. And that is what LA's after-school programs are all about.